In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to start making $100 a day with Clickbank. And I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process that you can implement today and start making passive income promoting Clickbank products. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to clickbank.com. So once you have your account created, all you just need to do is head over to this marketplace section right here. Okay. So once you come over here, you can select any product right here. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the e-business and e-marketing as an example right here. So if I click on this section right here, it's going to show me various make money online products that I can promote from Clickbank and start making money. All right, as you can see this one right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This product right here has over 270 gravity score right here, which tells you a lot of affiliates are making money with this product. Okay, so all you just need to do from here, as you can see, this product is going to pay $32 for every single sale you generate for this product. So all you need to do from here is to click on this promote button right here, and you want to click on this create uplink right here, and you want to copy this link. So the next thing you want to do from here, you want to preview the sales page of this product by basically clicking on this text right here. So once you click on that, you can see this is the landing page of this product right here, which says online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 every single hour. You can see right here, no experience needed, and these people can work from home taking this job. Okay, so basically if they sign up for this program right here, you are going to earn $32. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to this section that says affiliate page right here. So once you come over to this affiliate page right here, you want to scroll down to this section that says email swipes. So if you click on this email swipe right here, you will be able to see emails that have been provided by the vendor of this product right here that you can use to make money promoting this product, which literally means you don't have to create your email sequence from scratch yourself. All right, so I'm going to be taking this one here as an example. You can see right here it says don't be part of the procrastination. I know you are different, so don't pass this up. All right, you can see now this is the detail of the email right here, and this is where you are going to be pasting your Clickbank link. So now the next thing you want to do from here, you want to head over to a website called udemy.com where you can literally purchase clicks from sellers on this platform. And these people right here have been making affiliates a lot of money every single day. So all you just need to do, create an account by typing in your name right here, your email and your password, and you want to create an account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. As you can see right here, you will be shown with sellers on this platform that are going to sell you clicks to their email list. So if I click on this one right here as an example, all right, so you want to scroll down to the bottom right here and you want to see where majority of this person email list is from. You can see most of it right here is from North America, as you can see right here, and some of it is from Australia, basically 3%. Okay, and also you have 2% from UK right here. Okay, so you want to basically make sure that anyone you are purchasing email clicks from has traffic from top tier countries, because you want to sell this product, and these countries usually have higher purchasing power than other countries. Okay, and also if you come over here, you are going to see how much this person is going to charge per click. As you can see right here, this person is going to charge 40 cents per click. So basically you can adjust this slider right here depending on whatever budget you have. Okay, so the minimum right here is 100 clicks right here, which is going to cost $43 right here. So the next thing you want to do from here is very simple. So you want to select this section that says only link right here, and you want to select this add text right here. So now you want to basically go back to this affiliate page right here. So once you come to this affiliate page right here, you want to copy the subject of this heading right here, and you want to paste it right here. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to basically copy the body of this text right here. You want to basically scroll down and you want to basically copy this right here. So once you copy this, then you want to paste it right here. So the final thing you are going to do is to copy your affiliate link right here. So once you copy the affiliate link, you want to basically highlight this right here. So once you highlight this right here, you want to click on this link button right here, and you want to paste in your affiliate link right here, and you want to click on OK. So once you do this, all you just need to do is click on checkout right here, and you will be charged $43. And keep in mind, this person is going to charge you 0.40 cents per click, and this product costs $32. So basically all you just need to do is make 3 sales and you are already in profit. So out of these 100 clicks right here, so let's say only 5 people decide to purchase your product. If I multiply this by $32, as you can see right here, and if we minus $43 from this, as you can see right here, you'll still be left with $100 right here. So basically you'll be in profit if 5 people decide to purchase this product right here. Okay, so basically as you can see, this is the list right here. You can see right here, work from home, make money online, as you can see right here. So basically this person list as make money online audience and work from home audience. So you are even guaranteed to make more than 5 sales because this is a targeted email list. So basically this is how you can take advantage of this platform right here to make money on Clickbank. And also another thing you want to check the rating of the seller. As you can see right here, this one has almost 2,000 positive reviews on it, which means a lot of people have made money with this person email list right here. So basically you want to do your due diligence and you want to go through any of the sellers on this platform right here, and you want to make sure that they have high reviews before you purchase from them. So basically this is how you can use email marketing to make money with Clickbank. And also make sure to check the first link in the description where you can come over to this bonus section right here and you can have access to this Clickbank method that makes me over $1,000 every single week with just 15 minutes of work. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.